Hi friends, I am back with another exciting Power BI report demo. A report, a visualization report which is dynamic in nature and fully interactive. Come friend, let us understand the safety observation report, safety dashboard report, which is based on safety observation on a sample school project. Okay, here we are going to track safety observation based on various levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, and not only levels. Here we are talking about tracking individual room wise safety observations on this demo school projects. So friends, let's get started. This report, friends, is highly interactive in nature, and you can drill down till the room number, and you can get the entire status about the safety observation. Let us see some of the open safety observation reports on the school project. Click on the select status, open from the select status, and you get to see the interactiveness of this report, and you get the entire report analysis based on what all safety observation reports are open. Okay, where first and foremost you get to see all the room wise how many safety observations are open. You can hover your mouse on individual room number, and individual room numbers you get to see room number 302. We have uh, safety observation, two safety observations open. All right, in this room. Okay, so this is where you get to see the open safety observation room level wise and room wise. All right. Second important is part is the age analysis. Here, this age analysis is going to help the head of the department, safety head, and the relevant safety in charge and the management that there are plenty of safety observations that are still open and that are open beyond 100 days, which is not allowed in any standard. Actually, it has to get closed within 10 days, max 15 days, 20 days. 100 days is not acceptable by any standards. Okay, so this is how this age analysis is going to raise a flag. Okay, and for expediting the closure, and raise a flag about the performance of safety of the observation closure. Okay, so this is one way of getting the checking out the observation safety observation report. You can get the numbers based on open safety observation based on various contractors, XYZ contractor 44, RST developers. Okay, and likewise you have PQR build con. So you see the interactiveness based on individual status. You get the insight based on contractor wise. You get the insight based on age analysis wise. You get the insight based on individual safety engineers who have captured the safety observation. Here, based on these two combinations, actually, here the flag can be raised by the safety head, and the safety engineers the safety head has to coordinate with the safety engineer and check out their performance, why these many safety observations are remaining open for so long period. Okay, so that's the benefit of having this dynamic and interactive uh, dashboard created in Power BI. That's the amazing part. That's the fascinating part of Power BI. Let us check out the safety observation which are ready for inspect. You can click the status and you get to see the drill down effect till the room numbers. Okay, where what all in which room number the its safety observation is ready for inspection. All right, the rectification done by the contractor, and the contractor is ready for the inspection. So here you get the drill line effect till the individual room number. Okay, not only that, you get to see ready to inspect by the engineers, who all engineers should go and inspect the safety observation. Okay, so you get the drill down effect, and you get the numbers based on the contractor wise insights also. More importantly, you can check the safety observations based on the types of observations. Okay, what are the top 5 or top 10 safety observations of types of observation, wherein here we can see housekeeping is the major part, where 14% of your safety observation is related to housekeeping. Okay, scaffolds 10%, edge protection again 9.74%. So this is where you get the entire analysis. Again, you can check out based on the risk category. Okay, high risk, extremely high risk. Okay, you can click on extremely high risk, and the entire dashboard gets filtered based on the risk category. So you get the numbers based on extremely high, you get the numbers based on types of observation, you get the numbers based on the contractor, you get the rooms where the extremely high risk category safety observation have been issued, have been raised. Okay, so here it gets highlighted onto the plan as well. You get the plan view, individual room wise. You can check it out. Okay, so also further you can check out based on the services wise. Okay, click on that and you get to see the open safety observation which belongs to which services: civil works, electrical work, facade, signage, structural steel work. Likewise, so you can have the entire safety observation data analyzed into a one screen dashboard report, where you can drill down and slice and dice and analyze your entire safety observation uh, data and report onto one screen visual dashboard in Power BI. You can drill down till the individual room wise effect. You can click on individual room and you get to see the room wise numbers over here. Let's say here in level 1, room number 105, we have so we have 6 closed safety observations. Okay, those belongs to these types. Okay, extremely high risk category and all types also you can get, and the age analysis also of that particular room. So you get to see the entire inside based on individual room. Let's just take another example. You can click on this particular room to get that inside room number 314. Here we have for 314 room number, we have 2 safety observations open. Okay, and this belongs to civil work and facade work. So that's the best part of developing such interactive reports in Power BI. I think this Power BI report idea, you find it insightful. Feel free to comment and provide your feedbacks and comments on this report if you have liked it. Thank you very much.